So in this situation, we have a 2010 Honda Civic. The situation here is that the customer's vehicle, the battery died, and when they jump started it, the green light kept flashing. So in this situation, if you check the key and the key's okay, you check the antenna's okay, fuses are all okay, this is going to be a problem, okay? And remember, this is for Honda Civic. It could probably work on an Accord. I do know confirmed that it does work on a Pilot. So what you want to do, you get your scanner and you have to go into the programming functions and go to this section here that says MPCS/MICU/IMOES replacement. Tap that and then follow the prompts. And what's going to happen is that it's going to synchronize the key again to the vehicle and the car starts right up. Remember, this is only for situations where your Honda's battery dies, and let's say they stick the key in there and the car cranks and then it shuts down because the immobilizer light is staying on. Usually what happens is when the battery goes critically low, the something erases between the ECU, or I don't remember the exact terms, but something gets disrupted and you would have to reprogram it. Don't go to add a key, don't go to all keys lost, none of that's going to work. Go to that specific feature that I showed you, and it's going to reset it and it's going to fix your problem. And there you go, back on the road. Let me know if you have any questions. Please like and subscribe for more. I'm Alex and I'm out.